Hi devs, welcome back. Here we are to continue with this process of login and register. As you remember, on the last video we just finished our register controller, our login controller, and now if we try to access to our system, we won't have any access because we already make our auth, so we need an username and a password, but in our database there is none, so we need to create one. We try to log in. As you can see, it requests an email address, but we need to use a username, so we need to customize this. And if we try to go to the register controller, as you can see, we get an error. So we need to create first our user, and then we will customize our views, our blades. So to create our user, we will use a seeder just to set it to the database directly. So PHP artisan make seeder, and we'll name it user table seeder. There it is. As you can see, here it is. So let's create what we need here. We're gonna use an array. We'll pass some parameters. It is the name, the username, and we also need our email. Just create one just to have it there. Okay. That is for it's an array of arrays. There it is. Now we need a couple of lines. For our SQL. DB table users truncate DB statement and once again then now we need that for each Then let's tell which model we are using. The fields name is gonna be one, email will be position 2, username will be position 0, and password a quick password just for this one. There it is. That should do it. Okay, now we can continue. We'll run this header later. Now let's move to our views.